Bring the comfort of home on the open road with Thomas Payne Furniture by Lippert. We've refreshed and reimagined our furniture collection so you can upgrade your RV's interior with total style and ease. From 4 new vibrant color options to durable, upgraded PolyHyde vinyl fabrics and high-density foam cushioning, our furniture is easy to install, easy to clean, and delivers on all of the comfort and functionality you need for the road ahead. Say goodbye to your old, worn, and downright uncomfortable RV furniture, and hello to our wide selection of seating and sleeping options. Plus, we've updated our Seismic Series furniture to include the new Power Port. Whether you're needing extra space to read or work from the road, or you're simply relaxing with a nice glass of wine, we've got an accessory that meets your needs mile after mile. Thomas Payne Furniture.